1. Our group has chosen a surface tension topic and we have decided to show you the main aspects based on two experiments. One of them will be presented by gentlemen, another one by ladies. We will see how two different genders imagine this paradoxical phenomenon, like our paintings on the surface of the water.
Do you know how physics can help you to be fancy at the party?
Oh, are you kidding? Physics?
Exactly.
To become real party animal, it will be so exciting.
I've spent a lot of time to make up my nails.
Don't worry, I found a really quick and convenient way to save your time.
Can you explain me that?
Of course, all you need is a bowl of water and nail polish. Nail polish drops create versatile pattern on the water, which can be transferred on the solid object.
I'm letting go, a deeper dive, eternal silence of the sea. I'm breathing alive. Where are you now? Where are you now?
After that, we should bring a toothpick and draw any pattern. It depends on imagination. We should be very fast, otherwise the nail polish will dry. Then put the pattern membrane to your finger and voila, the painting is there.
How often do you want to surprise your friends at the party? Every time.
Of the experiment. Firstly, you should pour into a glass the half pale beer and wait a few minutes. After, you have to use a knife for adding dark beer with less substance, as you can reduce speed. Attention, attention! You have to be careful because it's important to avoid mixing. Ta-da! You are the king of the party!
So the experiment was based on the surface tension, the tendency of a substance to reduce excess of potential energy at the interface with another phase.